Hello everyone! Today we are diving into something that is just pure comfort in a bowl. It's a classic Burmese chicken glass noodle soup, and it's called chicken.This. It's so good. I'm not kidding when I say this is basically a hug in a bowl. It is packed with so much incredible flavor, all these amazing textures. It's just pure comfort food that you're going to want to make over and over again. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. So, what exactly is chicken.This? Well, it's this really beloved classic in Burmese cuisine. You've got this deeply savory chicken broth, these silky smooth glass noodles that just soak up all that flavor, and then tender, shredded chicken and this fantastic mix of textures. I'm talking slightly crunchy, woodier mushrooms and these delicate, silky lily flowers. It really is comfort food at its absolute best. Okay, let's get into it. The first step to any amazing dish is just getting all of our ingredients lined up and ready to go. Don't worry, it's all about building these incredible layers of flavor, and it all starts right here. So for the heart of our soup, the broth, you're going to need some chicken breast for that super tender meat, and of course, chicken bones. This is absolutely crucial for a rich, delicious broth. We'll also need some onions, garlic, a little splash of fish sauce for that savory umami kick, salt, and just a tiny bit of turmeric to give our chicken a gorgeous golden color. And now for all those incredible textures. We need dried glass noodles. They get so wonderfully soft and slippery. We've also got dried woodier mushrooms that give a slight crunch, these really delicate dried lily flowers that add a subtle, almost floral sweetness, and some dried bean curd skin, which brings this lovely, slightly chewy layer to every single bite. And this part? This is where we bring everything to life right at the very end. Some fresh cilantro for brightness, zesty limes, a few spicy green chilies if you want a kick, and whole black peppercorns for that final aromatic punch. For me, these are totally non-negotiable for the perfect ball. Okay, now for the really fun part. We are going to build the soul of our soup. This whole process of creating the broth and getting the chicken just right, this is where all the deep, savory magic really starts to happen. First things first. Get your chicken bones into a nice big pot and just cover them with water. Now, as it comes up to a simmer, you're going to see some foam rise to the top. So for step 2, you just skim all of that off. It's the secret to a crystal clear broth. Next, we drop in our flavor base, those whole onions, garlic, and seasonings. And finally, step 4, we just let it all simmer away gently to pull out every last bit of that amazing flavor. Now, listen up, because here is the real secret. You do not want this at a rolling boil. A nice, gentle, slow simmer is key. It lets all those little particles clump together so they're easy to skim away. If you boil it hard, they just break up and make your broth cloudy. So trust me on this one, patience is your best friend here. While that beautiful broth is simmering away, we're going to gently poach our chicken breast until it's perfectly tender and then just shred it up. Next, we make this simple but really powerful paste with onion, garlic, chili powder, and turmeric. We're going to saute that until your kitchen smells absolutely divine, and then we just toss in our shredded chicken to soak up all those incredible aromatics. All right, our broth is rich and flavorful, our chicken is packed with flavor, and all of our other goodies are prepped. Now it is time to bring it all home and build this gorgeous bowl of soup. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Okay, so into our beautiful simmering broth goes that aromatic shredded chicken. Then we add in our rehydrated mushrooms, the lily flowers, and the bean curd skin. Once that's bubbling away again, it's time for the soaked glass noodles, and they only need a minute or two. That's it. We'll season it perfectly with a little fish sauce and salt, and for the final touch, a hit of freshly crushed garlic and black peppercorns. Oh, the aroma is just incredible. Now here's what's so cool about this dish. The soup itself is pretty much complete, but it's the garnishes that make each and every bowl uniquely yours. So this is your moment. You get to be the chef. You could add a bright, zesty squeeze of lime, or a fresh shower of cilantro. Maybe some sliced green chilies for that fiery kick. A classic Burmese pairing is a quick pickle of thinly sliced onion and cabbage, which adds this amazing tangy crunch. And of course, you can always add roasted chili flakes for more heat, or even a dash more fish sauce for extra umami. You really, truly cannot go wrong here. And that's really the beauty of this soup, isn't it? It's just the perfect canvas. So I have to ask you, how are you going to customize your perfect bowl? Are you going to go all in on the spice, the citrus, or all those fresh herbs? Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. I really hope you feel inspired to make your own big, comforting bowl of cabbage. If you're feeling hungry just watching this, please give the video a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I would absolutely love to hear how you make it your own, so please share in the comments below. Happy cooking!